Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In the last 7 days, as you can see, I have got more than 900k views. And if you talk about last 30 days, then I have got 2.63 million views in just 30 days. And talking about my all-time views, I have got 4.27 million views. So in this video, I'll share with you three important tips that will help you get more views on Quora. The number one thing is very simple. The number one thing is very simple. You have to complete your profile. You have to write a good description. Your bio should be very good. Follow some space. Everybody can do that. Complete your profile. And the number two is be consistent. It's not that you can write one answer today and your answer will get viral tomorrow. It's not that. You have to write answer consistently. On consistent basis, you have to write answer. If you talk about me, then I write answer every 2 days. That means in every 2 days I write one answer. But sometimes I also write more answer if I like questions. If I find some interesting question, then I write more answer. Number three is the most important thing to help you grow on Quora, and that is write answer on questions that are new. That means always write answer on a fresh question. That means the question that has been asked before 1 hour or maybe 1 day, just recent question. And many people might ask how to find those recent questions. So it's very simple. Go to your search bar and suppose you want question related to how to make money online. Then I will show you in my search bar. Go to your search bar and type, and then you have to click on questions and click on past hour or past day, which will help you find recent questions. So here are the list of questions that you can answer, but many of these questions have already been answered. You have to find the questions that have not been answered so that your answer can be in the top and get more views. Suppose here it is. This question has no any answers. How do I make money online more easily? That means you can answer this question. And there many of the questions has been already answered. So you can find these types of questions which you can answer and get more views, because when you answer first, you will be on the top. You will be viewed by more people. So always remember to answer such questions, and when answering questions, your answer must be quality content, because when you answer at first, many people will view that obviously. Then when people view your answer, if they like your answer, they will vote your answer. So get